Hey everybody, Automotive Inc. So we're up in one of my favorite places up here at Turquoise Lake in Leadville, Colorado. And we are having some good fishing. It's early here in the morning. Ice cold water, fishing some worms, catch and release, having a good old time. Been reeling in some probably 15, 16-inch rainbows. Nothing gets better than spending the morning with your family, especially when you got your boy. You gonna catch another one, Junior? He's getting some bites. He's getting ready to reel in another one. Yeah, it's one of my favorite places. Leadville is a beautiful little town. You got the historical monument of the 10th Mountain Division. It's one of my favorite places. Up by the Twin Lakes up here and only about 40 minutes from Buena Vista. Oh yeah. So again, if you guys are looking for just a place to get out in Colorado, it's only a few hours away from the metro area. Here's downtown Leadville, a bunch of cute little shops, a little touristy in some areas. If you are up here eating, where do we eat? The Grill?
The Grill.
The Grill is a cool little Mexican food place.
Voted best restaurant in Leadville in 2024.
Yeah, best, and it was good and cheap.
So good.
Highly recommended by locals, and we would agree. But you can just see a lot of cool old architecture to see. And there's a mining museum. Yeah, there's a lot of museums, a lot of hiking trails. They do once a year there is a like a marathon or something they do up here all weekend, so that's kind of cool. Local fly fishing tour guides and stuff, so kind of everything that if you're into nature, it's a good mixed bag of stuff. You can get your trailer in and around downtown here. There's a dump station at the sanitation district you pay for. Not many dump stations up at the camp places where we go that'll fit trailers, and most time they're closed anyway.
Really cool architecture back from the 1800s. It's just very, very cool. They've kept it really nice and updated.
Yeah, just a really cute little town. The locals are all very kind. It's fairly inexpensive to stay at most of the campgrounds up here. You're close to Buena Vista. You're close to the Twin Lakes. You're obviously around Turquoise Lake, where we like to go. But yeah, just a good, easy drive up to the metro. And if you're only going to come up here on a day, come up here, eat at the Grill, do a little day hike, or just see the mining museum they have up here. Talk to some of the local shop owners. Just an all-around cool little town to be in. So we're going to touch on some of these videos here in this next probably few months as we travel more, just to kind of line out some of the places we like to go, especially if you're from Denver, that are not too far away. Some of them are going to be a little bit further away, but just kind of give you guys a vibe of how we do the RVing and how we do what we do. But yeah, we spent 5 days up here, nice and cold.
It was cold.
This time of year, it's, 30s at night. Some days it said it was going to snow. We didn't have any snow. We did have frost. But no problems. We have an all-season trailer. But just a great time. We love coming up here. 10th Mountain Division's up here. Fishing was great. Bald eagles. They say you might see a bear, so you got to lock your food up. But we have never seen a bear. Lots of deer, some antelope. I think we saw a moose once, but maybe I'm confusing that with a different town we went through. But yeah, they even have a railroad I found out that you can ride on in the town. It's a day trip railroad. I was reading that in a little local guide.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah, so
We should do that next time.
next time we might do that. I think it's just a narrow gauge railroad. I'm not for sure, but it's pretty cool. So guys, that was our wrap up on our Leadville trip. If you guys have any questions about where we like to stay or where you should go, feel free to comment in this video. And again, we do everything automotive. So you saw us at the lake the other day. We caught over 100 fish this week. We didn't keep them. We turned back all but 5.
Yeah.
Not a big fish eater, but the boy wanted to cook some and try cleaning them and stuff. So we did eat those.
Best fishing we've had in years.
Yeah.
I've never seen you catch that ever.
Yeah, really good fishing. So just an all-around great week. But yeah, comment in the description below, guys. Make sure you subscribe and like, and we'll catch you on the next one.